Rugby League Nines is a version of rugby league football played with 9 players on each side. The game is substantially the same as full rugby league, with some differences in rules and shorter games. Nines is usually played in festivals, as its shorter gameplay allows for a tournament to be completed in a day or over a single weekend. It has become more popular than the similar rugby league sevens, with many tournaments using nines to distinguish it from rugby union sevens. Laws. The laws of the game are the same as standard rugby league laws, with the following exceptions. Each team is allowed a squad of up to 15 players, with no more than 9 players on the field at any time. Unlimited substitutions are allowed from a named bench of 4 players. The match lasts for 15 minutes, divided into 2 halves of 7 minutes 30 seconds. There is no halftime interval, but teams are allowed a maximum of 1 minute to change ends. Each half starts with a place kick. Scrums consist of no more than 5 forwards, with a maximum 3 in the front row and 2 in the second row. When the ball is in the scrum, no more than 4 players from each team shall act as backs. The ball must emerge from behind the feet of the second row. Conversions after a successful try take the form of drop kicks. Players from the team that has conceded the score do not have to retire behind the try line, but must not interfere with any conversion attempt. When points have been scored, the team against which points have been scored will restart the game with a tap restart from the center of the halfway line. When a team is awarded a penalty, then play must proceed by way of a tap 10 meters in advance of where the infringement took place. In the event of misconduct by a player, the referee can suspend for 5 minutes. In the Carnegie Floodlit Nines, a major nines competition, this has been reduced to 2 minutes. Buderus Blueprint. Danny Buderus, an Australian rugby league player, has prepared a blueprint for a new rugby league nines format. With the intention of taking rugby league to a more global market, each team would consist of 9 on-field players plus 5 interchange players. Games would be played in 2 20-minute halves. Scrums would be replaced by turnovers. Teams would be allowed an unlimited number of interchanges. A team would surrender possession if the dummy half is tackled. Nrl Auckland Nines. The major rule changes that differ from regular National Rugby League games are as follows. 2 9-minute halves with a 2-minute halftime period. 9 players a side with 6 unlimited interchange players. Scrums will only form after a double knock-on, with attacking teams to elect which side to feed the ball. No video referee, with 1 on-field referee. 5-minute golden try period in qualifying rounds, with a draw to be deemed if there is no result, while unlimited golden try from the finals. A tap restart will take place after 40/20ths. 5 points for a try scored in the bonus zone under the posts, with 2-point drop kick conversion attempts. The scoring team will have a drop kick off to restart play. 5 minutes in bins. 5 tackles in a set. Major Nines festivals. Pacific Rugby League at the Pacific Games. Australia Cabramatta International Nines. New Zealand Nrl Auckland Nines. England Carnegie Floodlit Nines. Northern Rail Nines. York International 9s. Middlesex 9s. Bristol 9s. Rochdale International Rugby League Nines. Southwest 9s. Cheltenham Rugby Festival. Scarborough Rugby League Festival. Scunthorpe 9s. Midlands 9s. Southern Nines. Warwick University Rugby League 9s. Philippines Zambales International Rugby League 9s. United States USA Rugby League 9s. Ireland Kilkenny 9s. Portadown 9s. Wales North Wales Nines. Scott McCrory Nines. Continental Europe Heidelberg 9s. Lusignan 9s. Malta Rugby League Nines. and NRLB Nines, Scandinavian Nines, Veneto Nines, Historic Super League World Nines.